Good morning, everyone. I am Vinesh Yune from GRY Institute of Pharmacy, Borama. Today we will discuss about the adulteration. Adulteration is broadly defined as admixture or substitution of genuine article with spurious, defective, inferior, or harmful substance. Adulteration usually occurs when the drug is scarce or when the price is high. Sometimes adulteration may occur due to unsatisfactory method of collection, transportation, and identification. This type of unintended adulteration is called undeliberate adulteration. Following are the various methods used for drug adulteration. First, substitution with manufactured material. This is done with the artificially manufactured material which reassemble various drugs in form and appearance. For example, nutmeg has been adulterated with basswood, cut the required size and shape. Paraffin wax has been colored yellow to substitute beeswax. Second one is substitution with inferior material. Drugs are sometimes adulterated and substituted with substandard commercial material. Example, Senna is adulterated with Doxena. Tregacanth is adulterated with Hop Tregacanth. Third one, substitution with exhausted material. Exhausted material are the vegetable residue which remain after the original material has been used for drug preparation. The exhausted material reassemble the original drugs in appearance, but the content of active principle is for less. For example, the use of exhausted clove and ginger for adulteration. Fourth, substitution with cheap natural substance. Sometimes drugs are adulterated with cheaper natural substance which have no relation to the genuine article. For example, Japan wax for bees. Fifth one, adulteration with non-poral material. Plant material are sometimes adulterated with worthless non-plant material. For example, piece of limestone in asafoetida and lead salt in piece of opium. Sixth, harmful adulteration. Several times the waste from market are collected and admixed with authentic drug. This is particular notice for liquid or unorganized drug. Example, white oil in coconut oil, cocoa butter mixed with paraffin. Thank you.